Welcome to the channel. We have a special NFT project to talk about today, and it's called Three Landers. They're free. They're for friends and for adventurers and for wanderers and for dreamers, and their values. They love expression through art and collaborating with others and celebrating each other's, and they love to bring values to others, and they love to work together. This is an absolutely amazing NFT that are coming. I'm going to go in great detail and look at their Discord and their Twitter and check them out on OpenSea. But before I do that, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the videos. The Three Landers, a collectible NFT project which is centered around the community, which makes it so amazing. With adventure and collaboration, each Three Lander resides on the Ethereum blockchain as a unique NFT made up out of unique combination of traits and underlying DNA. And holders of this Three Lander NFT makes you a Three Lander, a member of a world and community that serves to build meaningful long-term connection through collaboration, adventure, building and creating and dreaming. And you can just have a look at this absolutely amazing NFT, and you can install the MetaMask over here and connect your wallet to the MetaMask, and you can buy this absolutely brilliant NFT. As a stroll down, the most important thing for any NFT is their roadmap. They believe the strongest long-term communities in this space move at the speed of friendship, and they aim to create a sustainable space to champion dreamers and creative and friends in all that they do. And their first goal is to create a meeting place for such a community. And of course, they have a lot of amazing plans in store for the future, and you guys and everyone that holds the Three Lander and is a Three Lander can actually plan it together and move forward. And their team is absolutely unique. The artist and co-founder specializes in creating characters, imaginative worlds inspired by the 90s Japanese manga and the RPG games, and the Three Lands creation accessible and fun for everyone. And the creative director and co-founder is a brand strategist and a master of fashion design, building the next generation of digital communities. Stubble believes that the boundaries do not exist, and the project coordinator specializes in the Web3 community architecture with a deep background in international communication. He is also their .jpg creator, and the Enable team is driving the technical aspects of the project from idea to launch on the Web3. And the team comprises of developers and collectors and artists, and combining all of these individuals together, they've developed a successful strategy that will take this NFT up and beyond. So if you're thinking about actually investing in an NFT, I personally believe this NFT has got what it takes. Now, I want to show you their Twitter. Their Twitter is absolutely brilliant. They have 43,400 followers. I'm going to increase that by one number right now. And if you want to know about any successful NFT, you got to see if they're active or not. And these guys have got that engagement on their Twitter. Now you can have a look. You'll really get a 90s feel. You really get a feel that these people have been in the space. They understand what strategy they need to put in. And Captain Ibn is a member of their legendary DNA, and you'll be seeing more of him in Three Land. And they don't know much about him yet, but he is often soaring the skies. So there's a lot of character and human touch that they've brought into their NFT, and that is what makes it so unique. Now, one of the most important aspects you want to bring in and you want to know is the fact that who are these individuals. And by looking at their NFTs, you can sense that these people have understanding of the NFT space. I've done a lot of videos which are available on my channel, The Educational Network. You can go over there and check them out, and you'll see each one of the videos that I've made that I've only selected the videos that I personally feel, the NFTs that I personally feel has got that potential. Now, the second and the most important place you got to go to make sure that you get reliable information is their Discord. You go over here, you click on Discord, and it will take you to their Discord. The Discord is the platform where you get reliable information. They have got 37,927 members with the founders online. The team is online, the moderators over there, the members, the prize bots, the all people, and the clients, and the people who own and are willing to buy these NFTs are online as well. And you can get reliable information. When you go to welcome, they will welcome you with open arms, and they'll tell you about why and what the rules and regulation is, what the security is, and what the Three Lander is all about. And you can comment over here, and you can actually get information about this NFT. And they've got their Twitter individuals, the team socials available, and their portfolios available, and the story behind the three landers, and all of that combined together actually creates a successful NFT. Guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. I've done a ton of videos. You can go check them out on my channel. Now, the third place which I want to open and show you guys is the OpenSea. On the OpenSea, they have already a profile. There are 10,000 items which are available, and there are 4,600 owners, and the floor price is 1.54, and the volume trade is 6.4. And obviously, as you scroll down, you can actually get this NFT. You can invest in NFT. And obviously, right now, the biggest and the most amazing thing that's happening in the NFT space is amazing NFTs are coming out by people who have got the experience. So please make sure that you do your due diligence before you invest in anything. And if you want to ask me any questions, you can always drop me a message in the comment section below, or you can get my WhatsApp, which is available in the About Us section of my channel, the Educational Network, and drop me a message. I will guide you to the best of my abilities and the best of my knowledge to whatever information that you want, and help you actually invest in a successful NFT. Now, if there's any questions whatsoever, you can let me know. I'm gonna put the link for the three landers, which is 3landersnft.com, in the description below of my video on the YouTube. You can go over there and check them out. I'm gonna put the link for their Discord and their Twitter and the OpenSea as well. You can go over there, click on it, and check them out. Until my next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.